Hi everybody, welcome back. I am making this video to explain how to set up or create or start or open a Zoom account. First, I'll show you how to do it from the internet, from their website online, and then I will show you how to set up an account once you have downloaded the app onto your computer or your phone. Okay, you like my blue hair today? You'll be able to make an avatar for yourself and you can customize the avatar however you like. I'll show you that also in this video. Okay, first we are going to go to the website. So the website, make sure I share, and we're going to go to the blank website, www.zoom, ZOOM .us, not .com. Hit enter. Okay, this is their main website. You're going to go to create an account. Oh, sign up free. Here you go in the top right corner. So it says sign up free. Sign up free. Hello? All right. So this is very similar to the opening of an account through the app. Okay. So first it asks you to verify your age. Edad in Spanish. How old are you? They want you to know, they want to know the birth year. Cuando naciste? When were you born? What year? So for me, for example, 1980. I was born in 1980. That is my birth year. Okay, and then you click this blue button, continue. Okay, it asks you for an email address. So your email address, I will put one that I haven't used yet. Okay, make sure that all the letters are correct. Make sure that all the numbers are correct. And any symbols, the @ symbol is correct, no space. Then Gmail or whatever, Hotmail, Yahoo, whatever, .com. I think most of them are .com. And remember, no spaces, no spaces, no spaces, no espacios. And then you click continue again. Okay. It says to check your email for a code. So you go to this email that you gave, whatever email you gave before, and they will give you a code. You have 9 minutes to go get that code and put it here. So I am going to get the code from my email. It might be handy to have all of this information ready. Ya escrito, already written in a notebook and un cuaderno. Password, yeah. Contraseña, the password. And your avatar. Okay, so they will send you a code, a verification code, un código para verificar su cuenta de email. Okay, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. 752170. 75217. Okay, I have 8 minutes left. You click the blue button underneath where it says verify. Okay, they ask for your first name. their last name. For example. Okay, and then they ask you to create a password. Your password must be 8 characters. So letters and numbers are characters. Okay, it must have one number. Must have one uppercase letter. Uppercase means capital, and it must have one lowercase letter. It cannot, must not It cannot contain 4 or more consecutive characters. You cannot put 1111, 2222, 3333. You cannot put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You cannot put A, B, C, D, E. You cannot put Q, W, E, R, T. Okay, so it has to be out of order. It has to be a bit random. Okay, so my account, I'm going to put the password, let me see. Okay, so it's green. Everything is green. I have one capital, I have one number, I have one lowercase. They have 8 characters, so that works. Okay, and below you will see it says click continue. This is checking if you are a teacher and you have students who are children, but you are not a teacher and you do not have students who are children. So click continue again. You are now at the Zoom website, and they explain how to use all the different functions. Okay, it will show you how to get started. Click let's go. Okay, they ask you, no, you don't have to do that. Click no thanks. Okay, and now they tell you what you need to do. Step 1, download Zoom to your computer. Step 2, check your audio and video. And step 3, invite others to join. So your profile is how you are going to kind of personalize and customize your account. You can do that here. Are you in? What language do you speak? You can change the language. Can you really? What can you change the language to? I didn't know that. Oh, well, only a few. I've got Spanish, right? Espanol, Portuguese, Turkish. I don't see Arabic. Sorry, students who speak Arabic. Keep it in English anyway. Anyway, right? You would click here, and that opens a menu. You want to go to the store, Microsoft Store or Apple Store. Click on that. And then you are going to go in the search bar and type in Zoom. ZOOM, enter. Okay, and you just download the free Zoom app. I already have it on my computer, so it's not going to go through. Right, and that will be it. And it says on my computer installed because I already have it right here. And once you have that installed, then you can create your own account. All right, I'm going to show you how to do that in a minute. Click on that. Okay, if you don't yet have a Zoom account, I am going to show you how to make a Zoom account. So I already have one, so I have to kind of log out of the meeting and log out of my Zoom account so I can create my own secondary one. So in the top right corner, you will see your profile picture. So click on that. And when you scroll down at the bottom, it will say sign out. So if you are using someone else's account, i.e. your son or your daughter or your sister or your cousin or your husband or your neighbor, and you want your own account, you're going to have to create your own account. Okay, so this little piece here, go down, 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 right here in the bottom right corner, it says sign up. Sign up. So when you sign up, that means you create your own Zoom account, personal to you only. So you click sign up. Okay,